In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a portfolio that actually gets you hired in 2026. The first thing you need to do is choose the job you actually want. Your portfolio should not try to impress everyone. It should speak directly to the position you're targeting. Read job descriptions for that role. Look for the skills employers mention again and again and build your portfolio around those needs. For example, if you're creating a portfolio for a virtual assistant role, you might focus on social media management, design work, email and calendar management, content scheduling, and general admin support. Next, choose your best work. Gather your previous projects and narrow them down to about 6 to 10 strong samples. Focus on work that is recent, relevant, and aligned with the type of job you're applying for. A smaller portfolio with strong examples is much more effective than a large one filled with unrelated work. For your strongest samples, turn them into simple case studies. Explain the problem, your role, the process, and the result. This helps employers understand what you actually contributed, not just what the final project looked like. Even a short explanation can make your work much more convincing. At the top of your portfolio, create a strong introduction. Include your professional title, your main skills, a short value statement, and your contact details. Keep it brief and relevant to the role you're targeting. Right after that, add a simple skills section. Group your skills clearly, such as administrative skills, social media skills, and tools you use. Use keywords from the job description only when they honestly match your experience. As you describe your work, show results, not just tasks. Instead of saying you manage social media, say what you accomplished, like creating and scheduling over 30 posts per month while maintaining a consistent content calendar. Whenever possible, include measurable outcomes like growth, reach, projects completed, time saved, or sales supported. Keep the design clean and easy to follow. Use 1 or 2 fonts, consistent colors, high-quality images, and enough white space. Make navigation simple and avoid overcrowding each page. Your design should support your work, not distract from it. A clear structure also helps. A simple flow can include a home page, about section, skills and tools, featured projects, case studies, testimonials, resume, and contact page. If you have testimonials from clients, employers, managers, or colleagues, add short and specific ones for extra credibility. Before sending your portfolio, make sure it works well on mobile. Test every page, button, link, image, and contact method. Add a downloadable PDF resume. Include a clear call to action. Tailor the portfolio for each application. Test everything one more time, and keep updating it as your experience grows.